We haven't posted a video in like a week. Sorry about that.
Yeah. We made some slime because we saw this in the top of my closet, and we really thought that it'd be a good idea to make a whole entire video about us testing different slime on YouTube. Well, we're making a YouTube video, clearly, but we found the slime hacks on YouTube. Will slime make stuff?
Here's our first attempt.
Yeah, this was our first attempt for fluffy slime. I had mine second, that's why mine looks better than his, but...
yeah, see, split in part. Hers, squishy, and it moves, and all that.
Yeah, hold on, I'll switch the lighting for you. We have a ring light. You can see your slime better. This is my slime. We used marker for the dye, and we found that on YouTube too, and it actually works.
Hey, this is my slime. Oh, just fell apart.
Oh, hold on. Hunter, let me see that so I can show them. This is Hunter's slime. Oh my god. This is Hunter's slime.
Just breaks apart, you know. It's all good.
This one's Hunter's slime, and it's like...
Yeah, let's just say it's
bad.
perfect.
Yeah, it's bad.
Okay, and here's our laundry detergent.
Yeah, it feels like scrambled eggs, and it's very... Ooh. Hold on. Wait, you know what? Here, switch. It's weird.
Also, if you guys are wondering how we made the fluffy, we just used shaving cream, glue, and borax.
Or borax, as you might say.
And how we made the laundry detergent one, we just used the exact amount of glue, water, and a small amount of laundry detergent.
And then we have
Dawn dish soap.
Oh gosh, the thing's sticking to the
yeah.
Dawn dish soap didn't work.
Yeah, we watched the YouTube video. They said to put some Dawn dish soap and water.
Yeah.
And stir that up and put it in the freezer for...
No, there wasn't any water in it. It was just...
Well, they said put it in the freezer for like maybe an hour or two, but you have to stir it every 30 minutes. We did it for an hour, and nothing really changed. It was just really cold, and it just didn't really feel that good.
Yeah.
We think it was worse than the laundry detergent one. We think that one was the worst one. Let's show you our second favorite one. Let's just say this one's kind of interesting.
Yeah, our second favorite type of slime.
Yeah. Let's just say it has a lot of flour.
Oh. Shoot, it won't come out.
We watched the video and we put there was water, salt, and flour and dye. But it is a really sticky see.
Yeah, it didn't come out that well.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, very, very sticky. But, I mean, it can stretch and move around. Put it on top of Lula's head. But, yeah, that's that one. I mean, you can comment in the videos, tell us which one you like the best,
or you can
if there's any slime you want us to make.
Yep, we'll do it.
I mean, we're probably going to post another video tomorrow.
Or today, you never know.
Also, I tried to do something, but she drawed it.
I drew it.
Yeah.
Sorry for bad grammar.
I don't know, sorry for not posting any videos for a week. So, like and subscribe.
Yes, please, like and subscribe.
We really need, more...
Subscribe.
Yeah, we have 41 subscribers. Come on, let's get to that 50. I think we can do it. We can do it. 50 subscribers.
Yeah, we want to prove to our older brother that he's wrong, because he said that we probably won't be able to get anywhere with this. So we're gonna prove him wrong.
Come on, guys. Come on, 50 subscribers. You think we can do it by the end of the week? 50 subscribers. Probably.
Maybe.
Alright, see you next time. Have a good day, and